Okay guys, today I figured I'd do another carburetor video, and it's on pretty much checking your diaphragm and how to take your guts out and replace all that good stuff. This is a good one just to test it. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. You can pretty much mash this down, cap your finger over this, hold it, and if it don't move, it's good. As you can see, that one's good. We got the older one right here. Yeah, as you can see, this one's good too. Most of the time this little cork gasket in here goes bad and it's wets vacuum stuff bleed off. Something to check into. But basically I wanted to make you a disassembly video for no reason. Just to be making one for you guys, since I have nothing better to do on the 24th of December than make you all a couple how-to videos. And how to disassemble your Holley's diaphragm is one of them. Now, this one is off of a performance carburetor. You can tell by the color and stuff. I got like 4 or 5 of these diaphragms, so that's the cool thing about it. You can see when you open your diaphragm up, here's what you get. You get a little spring, like that, and they come in different stiffness. You know, different ones open up at different weights, RPM weights. Here's your diaphragm. As you can tell, this one's in great shape. Besides that little nick right there, which won't hurt it. And these Holleys right here, I don't know if you can see it, but this little piece right here, you do not want to cover that, as that's a air bleed hole. Now some Holleys now actually got a check valve next to that keeps you from actually engaging this too quick and stuff. I personally take the check valves out. Some people leaves them, you know, in. So let's take this older one apart. It's good too. Take it apart and we shall check it out. Well, here's the cork gasket I was telling you about, like on the other one. The other one I think's got a rubber gasket. So pull all these bolts out. Now this is the older style now, take into account. Here it is once we open it. As you can see, identically the same, just this one got a little bit better finish. And the part number is different. But inspecting it, it's all the same. Everything's the same. Now let's check the diaphragm out. This one was good. So check her out for tears. As you can see, there ain't no tears. Still in great shape. And the part number is 330. This one is the same part number, same exact diaphragms in totally like years apart carburetors. Now spring, let's check these springs out. As you can see right now, off glance, I don't know if y'all can see them, but that spring's taller. The one come out in the older carburetor, so that would do good in a heavier vehicle. You can see. Now watch this one. Way lighter spring this one is. So if you wanted to go with more of a drag car type deal, then this lighter spring would come in handy. Now I got one of these springs out of the school bus. I'm gonna go get it since we're doing this video. Hey guys, Holley makes a kit of springs with a quick kit for like $25. It changes this whole cap out, makes it easier to adjust, but that video ain't on this. It's just a disassembly, how assembly, and talking about your diaphragm. Well, here's one out of the school bus. Compared all 3 springs. This one right here is something that you will put in like a school bus. Very heavy, hard to compress, takes a lot of vacuum to actually do anything. Lots of load to be on that. Now this one is medium grade, like a truck or something like that. This one right here, this little spring, is more for a lighter passenger car type setup. So, now we got all these put together. Let's assemble one of these. Which one y'all want to assemble first? Don't matter to me. Let's do the chrome one. Now, once you get your chrome one, you want to line it up. That diaphragm's tore out though. I don't like that. I got another diaphragm. I'll be right back. Guys, we're back. Here's the other diaphragm I was talking about. Like I said, I got tons of these laying around. This actually was from the school bus one we tore down in a video. If you haven't seen that video, look on my channel for the school bus Holley. It came off of a school bus. And it's the same part number, 330. Same exact diaphragm as these guys. As you can see, this one's seen better days. I think this one's just old and wore out. He came back, didn't he? But I don't like that tail on that, and so we just toss that one. But we have these two right here, and they're exactly the same exact thing. Same thing. So let's go ahead and throw one of these together. And it really don't matter which one's which. So let's see. We throw this and got a little bit more rust on it into this older one. And you want to make sure your bridge screw is lined up. Okay. Once you get that, you want to put your appropriate spring. We're going to go with the lighter one on this build. So there we go. Then we will need to install this guy. And it goes on one way. You want to line this ball up here with that. We'll line it up, doing our best. Now you can take your pinky, I don't know if you can see it, or hold it between your two fingers. Whoops. We dropped the spring, people. Anyway, you can take your two fingers, place under here, put it where it needs it, clamp it with the two fingers as tight as you can, and two fingers will help when you put the spring down from mashing it down and moving it. Now, in one motion, line everything up and keep your two fingers on it and clamp it. Right, like so. As you can see, it's even all the way around, and you can put 4 bolts back in it. We just put the wrong cap on that. So let's take it back apart and try again. So let's get this lined out here. Anyway, once you get lined up, you can cap your two fingers underneath of it, like we talked about. Line it back up. Like that, it's lined up perfect. Get the white cap this time. Don't forget to put your spring in it, you might have a bad day. And drop it down, just like so. Now, make sure everything's lined up good. Looks like we are. We can put 4 bolts into this big guy. And then we can make sure it holds vacuum. The new spring should help this out a lot if you put it into a light car, like I was saying. I don't know what a man would use the school bus spring on though, besides the school bus. Or a truck. Now I'm just snug up, you don't have to over tighten them. Now once you get it, the wider spring should make a big difference. As you can see, she holds right there once we hold it. And loosens up. Does really good. That one's done. So let's go on to the next one since we disassembled two. This is the one with the, let's see, that's the old boot. We don't want to use that. Now, like I said before, you go on one way. You want to make sure you go on the right way. And you want to make sure, basically, this right here, that bleeder hole is not covered. And as you can see, we put it on the wrong way already. And there we go. Perfect. Looks brand new. Now we can take a 2 fingers, cup underneath of it, like we talked about and explained in previous video. Well, this video for sure. Take your spring you want to use. Therefore, you don't want to use this guy. You won't have no secondaries ever. Hardly. Take your thing, make sure you spin it round the proper way, which is that way, and then push it together. Line everything back up. Looks very good. We can put 4 bolts back in it. Looks like we're missing a bolt. Before we took out 4. We'll find it here in a second. Vacuum secondaries, gotta love them. I actually do pretty decent on the street. I prefer a double pumper. I do like a vacuum though. Let's see. Hunting for a screw. I think we had them all, didn't we? Not in my pockets. Well, it should work with one missing. Anyway, you mash it in, you can hold it. You can see it's good. It's a lot harder to mash in than this one because of stiffer spring, but both of these are actually pretty good shape. Well, next video coming up, I'm going to teach y'all about power valves. This is actually a lot of power valve. We got a Holley right now with a padded power valve, and I'll be teaching y'all about that good stuff. But here's 2 diaphragms. This and this, you could use it and get by with it. I think it's pretty well garbage, but never know when you need a spare diaphragm. Because right here, this and this, it's warped but it holds vacuum, but it just don't action smooth like it should. That can cause a problem too. Like these two, they do like they should. They do very good. Big difference though between that one and that one. Okay, school bus spring 2. We went over that. We went over springs. If you do enjoy this video, want me to go in more detail about some of this stuff than making just a quick video, then please let me know by dropping a like and a comment and all that good stuff, because I will go over diaphragms, proper adjustment of them, spring weight, vehicle ratio, and all that good stuff, whatever you into. So I'm going to go find this other boat, because we lost it, people. See that boat? I could have sworn I took 4 out. I thought I did. Have to be here somewhere though. It's hidden. It's a secret. I like a venture, and it's going to be a venture finding that boat. If not, like I said, I got tons more. I could have sworn there was 4 in it. I know I didn't put 1 inside of it. Oh well. Now I hope you enjoy this video. Now check out my channel for more videos like this and all different kinds of content. And until next time I see you then, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you do enjoy, I appreciate it. Take care now.